everyone, how you doing today? Welcome to Gigi Lao's Kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you what you do with the pork fat, okay? The fat, we're gonna hit kiep mu, okay? Like, you know, with the garlic, shallot, and pepper. And then you can cook all different ways with this, okay? Let me show you how to cook this. Alright, let's get started. Okay, what I do here, I went to grocery and bought the pork and the area I want to have a little bit of the thick fat, okay? See, it's not the soft one, and I remove the skin out form, so it's become like that, okay? But also some store they give you with the meat stick in it a little bit. It's great. I like the meat as well. If you don't have any kind of meat at all, so that's work too, okay? So when you Okay, see, I slide all my pork fat, and you get all the skin out from it already, okay? So save this for different dish, but this one I'm gonna cook today. You wanna slide about 2 inches, okay? See my finger size right there? And after you deep fry, they're gonna shrink, okay? Okay, what I do with shallot, this is fresh shallot from the garden, from my mother garden, okay? So this time is in like May, so it's always come up very good. And what she like to do, she go ahead kind of like give it to me, and then I go ahead slide them, you know, peel them like this, okay? You get them from garden and let it rest for a few days. You can braise them like how I do it, okay? And then you want to peel them, and you see the shallot is so beautiful, right? Just like that, okay? And what I do when it's become this shallot, like right here, and then this one is already dry, so I dry it until it completely dry, because when you put is the pork skin is crispy, and you don't want anything with the moisture, so you want this to be completely dry. After I peel them, and I go ahead slide like this. You want to slide it thin, okay? Make it thin like this, see? You want to have like that, slide like that. After that, then you lay in the sun until they be completely dry, just like that. See? See the difference? Okay. This is what I do with the fat, okay? The pork fat, that's what we do. We put garlic, shallot, and pepper. And what I do, I can do stir fry with this or กินกับข้าวเปียกก็ได้ okay? น้ำฝืดก็ได้ กินน้ำหยังก็ได้ okay? Alright guys, enjoy the recipe. I'm gonna show you how to make ขั่วปักบ้ง okay? Alright, I show you what I use with this.